Good morning, students. So now I am moving forward in the part of quadratic equation. Some students asked me after the first lecture that they are facing some problems and some typical problems. So I have a question which can be complicated, which can be typical. The equation is given as x square minus 4 root 2 x plus 6 is equal to 0. So as we have learned that how to solve the quadratic equation, the first step is multiply the constant term with the coefficient of x square. Means 6 into 1 is equal to 6. This is in rough part, so don't write in such manner in fair copy also. So what is 6? 6 into 1 is 6. Now we can divide it using 2 multiplied by 3. That is 2 3s are 6. Now we can see that 2 plus 3 is 5, which is not here. 2 minus 3 is minus 1, which is not here. 3 minus 2 is 1, that is not here. But here there is a term root 2. So can we split this 2 into root 2? Means this 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Means root 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Is it? जैसे हम लोग 2 into 3 करने से हमको 6 मिलेगा, then we can also get root 2 into 3. Now can we join these two terms? Means मैंने क्या किया है, 2 को 2 पार्ट्स में स्प्लिट किया, रूट 2 एंड रूट 2. अब मैं ट्राई करता हूँ कि मैं एक रूट 2 को 3 के साथ मैच कर लेता हूँ, मिला लेता हूँ. मीन्स आई हैव रूट 2 ऑन लेफ्ट साइड एंड 3 रूट 2 ऑन राइट साइड. देखिए वैल्यू सेम है, रूट 2 इंटू 3 रूट 2 इज इक्वल टू 6. ये हमेशा होगा. एंड नाउ वी कैन सी दैट इफ आई पुट अ माइनस हियर and a minus here, the value is same again, because minus into minus is equal to plus. And root 2 multiplied with 3 root 2 is equal to 6. ये हमको मिल गया. And if I add both, so minus root 2 minus 3 root 2 is equal to minus 4 root 2. So we have the solution like this, that I can write x square minus 3 root 2 minus, sorry, this will be x, and root 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. So what is common part? The common part in both is x, and I get x minus 3 root 2. In second part, what is common? The common part is root 2, and the remaining part is x minus 3 root 2, because root 2 into 3 root 2 is 6, is equal to 0. So I can get the solution as x minus 3 root 2 and x minus root 2 is equal to 0. So we have two conditions, either x minus 3 root 2 is equal to 0 or x minus root 2 is equal to 0. So if, write down, if x minus 3 root 2 is equal to 0, the first condition, then what could be answer? The answer will be x is equal to 3 root 2. And what is second one? If, write down, if x minus root 2 is equal to 0, then the answer will be x is equal to root 2. So we have two answers, two roots, that x is equal to 3 root 2 and x is equal to root 2. So in this way we can solve such kind of problems. I think that we should not face such problems. और मैं चाहता हूँ कि इसमें और प्रॉब्लम्स आप फेस करें, so that you should do more practice also. चलिए एक क्वेश्चन और देखते हैं. मैं इस क्वेश्चन का जस्ट एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन फॉर्म करके दूंगा, and you have to solve the further part. The question is x plus 1 upon x minus 1 minus x minus 1 upon x plus 1 is equal to 5 upon 6. So this is a question. Now how to form a quadratic equation using this? Just simple. Take LCM of x minus 1 and x plus 1. So what is LCM? The LCM is x minus 1 x plus 1. Since we are multiplying both the terms, therefore just cross multiply. So x plus 1 x plus 1 minus x minus 1 x minus 1 is equal to 5 by 6. Now moving forward, x plus 1 is x plus 1 whole square minus x minus 1 whole square, है ना. a दोनों का multiplication is square. And what about this one, x minus 1 x plus 1? This is in form of a minus b and a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So we can write it as x square minus 1 square is equal to 5 by 6. Now open this. A plus b whole square formula, x square plus 2 into 1 into x plus 1 minus x square minus 2x plus 1 upon x square minus 1 square is equal to 5 by 6. Now do a cross multiplication. What about this one? X square plus 2x plus 1 minus x square plus 2x minus 1, and do a cross multiplication here. So the right side will be 5x square minus 5. So here we can write as 6, and x square minus x square cut out, cancel out, plus 1 and minus 1 are cancel out. So 2x plus 2x is 4x. 4x multiplied by 6 is equal to 6 4s are 24x is equal to 5x square minus 5. So on transferring this to left side, we can get as 5x square minus 24x minus 5 is equal to 0. So now this is a quadratic equation. Now we can easily calculate the roots of this quadratic equation. So it's your homework to do the same. And now I am moving forward towards the applications of quadratic equation, that where can we use the quadratic equation formulas and quadratic equation calculations. Now according to your book, textbook, I have a question that if the sum of a number and its reciprocal is 2:1 by 30. Question is, I am writing the question, if the sum of a number and its reciprocal is 2:1 by 30. So calculate the number. What will be the number? So here just think about it. If the number is x, what is the reciprocal? 1 by x. Reciprocal means just उसका उल्टा. उल्टा means जो न्यूमरेटर में है वो डिनोमिनेटर चल जाएगा और जो डिनोमिनेटर में है वो न्यूमरेटर में आ जाएगा. So let's solve this problem. Now let's think about it, that let's consider the number is x, then reciprocal of number is equal to 1 by x. What the question says? According to question, the sum of number means number plus reciprocal of number is equal to 2:1 by 30. क्वेश्चन क्या बोलता है, एक एक स्टेप यहाँ से फॉलो करते हैं. द सम ऑफ नंबर and its reciprocal is equal to 2:1 by 30. So I can solve this as take the LCM. So x is LCM. Now x divided by 1 multiplied by x, that is x square. इसको और इजी करें तो x और 1 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन, then cross multiplication, that is x square, plus cross multiplication is 1. And on right side I have the number 32s are 60, 60 plus 1, that is 61 upon 30. So this do cross multiplication. I have cross multiplication value of 30 x square plus 1 is equal to 61x. Now take the calculation. 30 x square plus 30 is equal to 61x. Now transfer this to left side. I have the value 30x square minus 61x plus 30 is equal to 0. So we can write here on transferring to left side. Okay, now these are similar numbers, so 30 into 30 is equal to 900. Now I have to split 900 such that the sum or subtraction should be 61. मुझे अब 900 को ऐसे स्प्लिट करना है प्लस या माइनस में कि जो भी नंबर आता है उसको प्लस करूं या माइनस करूं, तो मुझे आंसर मिलना चाहिए 61 माइनस 61. सो आई एम डूइंग दिस हियर 900 एंड लेट्स टेक सम वैल्यूज. कुछ छोटे कुछ बड़े वैल्यूज उठाते हैं यहाँ से. छोटे वैल्यूज में क्या उठाएं? लेट्स टेक 2. ये ट्रायल है. जब आप प्रैक्टिस करते जाएंगे तो आपको ये आइडिया होते जाएगा कि हमको कौन सा नंबर उठाना है. इफ़ आई टेक 2, सो 2 4s are 8, 1 and 0, that is 2 5s are 10 and 2 zeros are 0. अब यहाँ पे हम लोग देखते हैं कि छोटा नंबर हम लोग उठाएंगे तो डिफरेंस या एडिशन बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंट हो जाएगा. सो टेक अ लार्जर नंबर. ठीक है, लार्जर नंबर में क्या उठा सकते हैं हम लोग? 10 से उठा के देखते हैं. लेट्स टेक 10. So 10 will be 10 9s are 90 and 10 zeros are 0. अभी भी यहाँ पे डिफरेंस जो है वो 61 से ज़्यादा है. टेक मोर लार्जर नंबर. अगर मैं 20 लेता हूँ तो क्या हो जाएगा? 20 4s are 80, 10 0. So let's take 20. So 20 4s are 80, 10 and here 0. Sorry, this will be 20 5s are 100. So अभी भी हम लोग देखते हैं यहाँ पे डिफरेंस क्या आ रहा है. 20 प्लस 45 है 65. दोनों का डिफरेंस ये नहीं आना है. अब इसके ऊपर कौन सा नंबर हमारा आ सकता है? देखो 21 से ये डिवाइड होगा नहीं, 23 से डिवाइड होगा नहीं. सो लेट्स टेक द पॉसिबल नंबर एज 25. 25 3 ज़र कितना हो जाएगा जी 75. Now 75 90 minus 75 is 15 and 0, that is 150. 150 means 25 6 ज़र 150. So if I put minus signs here, then the addition is equal to 61. ठीक है. यहाँ पे हम लोग को ये नंबर्स ऐसे चूज करने हैं कि उनका एडिशन या सब्ट्रैक्शन हमको -61 मिले. अब हमको ये नंबर तो मिल गया, सो आई कैन राइट 30x² minus 36x minus 25x plus 30 is equal to 0. So what is common part? The common part is, let's take the common part as 6x, क्योंकि x तो कॉमन है दोनों में, and 6 is also common, so 6x. The remaining part is 5x minus how much? 6 minus. अब यहाँ पे हम लोग को थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन आएगा कि यहाँ से हम क्या कॉमन लें. देन जस्ट डू अ थिंग, जो भी यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट में लिखा है जस्ट राइट डाउन दी हियर, दैट इज 5x minus 6 and divide these two numbers. 6 5s are 30. Simple part. So I have such calculations. The common part is 5x minus 6 and the remaining part is 6x minus 5. Answer is equal to 0. So now I am doing the next part. Five x minus 6 multiplied by 6x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now if, write down if 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. So on transferring 6 to right side, I have the value as 5x is equal to 6 or x is equal to 6 upon 5. The first value of x, the first root of quadratic equation is 6 upon 5. If the second condition is 6x minus 5 is equal to 0. On transferring 5 to right side, I have the number 6x is equal to 5 and x is equal to 5 by 6. This is another root of the quadratic equation, the value of x, that is 5 by 6. तो इसके दो वैल्यूज होते हैं, one is 6 by 5 and another is 5 by 6. तो इससे क्या समझ में आता है? If the number is 6 by 5, the reciprocal of number is equal to 5 by 6. और इसका जस्ट अपोजिट यहाँ पे कि यदि ये नंबर है then its reciprocal is 6 by 5. सो इस तरह से हमको कंडीशंस को ध्यान में रखना है एंड उसके हिसाब से हमको स्टेटमेंट और इक्वेशन फॉर्म करने हैं. क्वेश्चन हमको दिया होगा, उन वर्ड्स को ही हम रीफॉर्म करके क्वेश्चंस बनाएंगे. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट यू to solve the examples of the question and move forward for some exercise questions which are given in exercise number 4 of the textbook, exercise number 3 of the textbook. Now in the next part I will go for the next method, that is quadratic equation by completing the square method. Now अभी तक मैंने जितना मेथड बताया है ये सिर्फ फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड के अंदर में आता है एंड फॉर नेक्स्ट सीरीज आई विल गो फॉर कंप्लीटिंग द स्क्वायर मेथड. दिस इज ऑल्सो एन इम्पॉर्टेंट मेथड बट डू प्रैक्टिस फ्रॉम factorization method because this is quite more important. Okay, thank you.